Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of BMW 3 Series Cup. Use the iDrive infotainment system to find a menu option labeled Service Info. This will tell you whether or not services are due on major components and systems. Will give you a good indication of how well the previous owner has kept the car. Check too that the correct run flat tires are fitted. They do have a negative effect on the ride quality, but the 3 Series Cup was never designed to run on conventional tires, and there is no space for a spare wheel. The biggest issue of all was a timing chain problem on the 2.0-liter diesel engine, designed to be maintenance free, and it instead began snapping unpredictably, causing catastrophic engine damage to a number of cars. BMW claims to have fixed the problem from the 2011 model year onwards, but you're still advised to be cautious and to insist on a full service history when buying the car. Other common issues are ignition key slots wearing out and becoming loose, usually caused by owners pulling the key out instead of pressing it in first to release it, and clogged diesel particulate filters, which can be very expensive to replace. If the steering's power assistance feels odd or seems to change as you drive it, it can be a fault with either the steering column itself or the electronic control unit for the steering. Aside from the diesel timing chain issues, the BMW 3 Series Cup is generally very well built, but you need to make some specific checks. Noisy air conditioning means it needs a regas, while interior rattles can come from the trim on the doors. Knocking from the front suspension is usually caused by anti-roll bar bushes wearing out, but clunking noises from the back of the car, especially when pulling away, means trouble with the rear axle, which can be hugely expensive to fix. If there is a vibration coming through the clutch pedal on diesel cars with a manual gearbox, then the dual mass flywheel may need replacing, and it is an expensive piece of work. Black smoke from the exhaust usually means a blown turbocharger seal, with this requiring a new exhaust gas recirculation valve to fix. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.